Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Kay Miller, and today, this video, I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. So, in this slide right here, I'm just going to explain who I am. This is my first video on the channel, so explaining who I am would be, quite necessary to, get started. So, let's do that right now. My name is Kalen. I am 16 years old, and I currently do attend a college in London. I do a business course there, and I've been doing that for around a few months now, since around September. So I do have a school life there. I also have a small part-time job as a social media manager for my uncle's business. So I do use some of my social media skills from there for affiliate marketing, but that is a small part-time job that I do have. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a month now, and I've gained quite a bit of passive income, quite a bit of knowledge on the business model itself, so I can share that with you guys right now. But I have been interested in affiliate marketing for a few months now, probably since around the end of February, where I did find out about it on TikTok. So that's basically what happened there. What motivated me to start affiliate marketing was COVID and the effect the pandemic had on me during lockdown. Especially being from the UK, we had lockdown for quite a long period of time, and it did have a mental effect on me. I was quite bored, and I was playing video games for quite a lot of the day. I was just scrolling on TikTok, so I finally decided that I need to do something. I don't want to be the kid that comes out of lockdown, with no valuable knowledge. So if I start like a side hustle or something, then yeah, I can be proud of myself. So that's basically why I started with that. Okay, that's just the introduction of who I am. So let's get on to the slide where we actually talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? So quickly, I'm going to explain what it is. So basically, affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission by promoting other companies' products. So basically, you'll be promoting other companies' products on social media, and every time someone buys from you, you will make a commission for it. Affiliate marketing is a really big business model. 80% of companies worldwide use affiliate marketing for their own businesses, and you see down there in the picture, companies like Amazon, Nike, Target, Microsoft, eBay, they all have affiliate programs that you can join. So that's basically what affiliate. How do I actually get paid with affiliate marketing? So as you see, as an affiliate, you have a unique affiliate link connected to your account. If a customer clicks on your link and makes a purchase on your affiliate product, you will earn a commission, which is a percentage of the sale basically. So when you sign up to an affiliate program, they'll give you your unique link. This is your personal link. This will be connected to your account and your account only, okay? So when a customer that, clicks through your link, when you promote it on social media, etc., if they click through your link and make a purchase on the product, you will earn a commission. So for example, you sign up for Nike's affiliate program and you're promoting a pair of shoes for $200. Nike offer their affiliates a 20% commission, so 20% of the sale will go to you. So whenever a person purchases a pair of shoes through your link, you earn $40 just like that. So basically, with the $200, you've just earned 20% of it, which is $40, just from promoting it online. Simple. Okay, so why should you start affiliate marketing yourself? Let's get into it. So number one, low startup cost. Affiliate marketing startup cost is ridiculously low for a business model. I got started with affiliate marketing for less than $10, which is great. Compared to like drop shipping, which is recommended at like $150, affiliate marketing for less than $10 is just such a deal. Why not? Also, you don't have to worry about delivering products, shipping times, customer service, or stocking products. It's all done online. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It's all done through social media marketing. You don't have to touch products or anything like that. It's just as simple as that. You don't need lots of experience either. I got started with my business just 3 days into affiliate marketing. Just quick training for it, and then I basically started. Not a lot of experience is needed compared to like in stocks where you need like quite a few months to master it. Affiliate marketing, I got started with just 3 days of knowledge, so it's good. You can start at any age as well. There's no age requirements for affiliate marketing. I know 13-year-olds are doing this. I know that 50-year-olds are doing this. This is all like a different age range for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is such a powerful business model that is making people leave their 9 to 5s, and it's making teens rich before they even get out of school, get out of the system. So yeah. Also, you don't need a big following for affiliate marketing. That's one of the big misconceptions with affiliate marketing, a following. You don't need a big following. Rather than a big following, you want to have like the right audience for your niche, people that are actually interested in your product. Of course, having a few more followers will help, but you can make sales with 50 followers, 100 followers, doesn't really matter. You just want the right audience for your niche. That's it. It only takes around 1 to 2 hours a day. This is not time consuming. You can work your own hours. It's really, really flexible. You can decide what you want to do this day or that day. You're not limited to what you have to do that day. It's your time. Your choice. I do school from like 9 to 3 every day, and I do my business afterwards as a side hustle. but you know, some days like I can work for like 4 hours if I want to, or I can work for just like half an hour if I want. Okay, so let's get into my expenses with affiliate marketing. So I'm just gonna talk about how much my business costs to run. As you can see there, the numbers there, but I'm just gonna explain everything, you know, more in detail so you guys understand. 3-day business builder challenge. This is why I invest in to learn affiliate marketing, set my business up, you know, gain the knowledge about affiliate marketing to actually start. You know, I invested the $7 into it, probably the best investment I've made, you know, ever in my life. So yeah, I just invested in that, which is $7. One cost, not monthly, just you know, one upfront cost for $7. Also invested in Builderall, which is $69 per month. Builderall is basically where I build my sales funnel and have my emails sent out to people. You know, it's all in one in that software, which is great, and it only costs around $69 per year. It's one of the best beginner friendly ones, and it's also mid range price. There are other ones you can of course use like Groupons, which is free, but I personally use Builderall, which is better for me. Also, I invested $10 a year into my domain name, just to make my emails look more professional, etc. And that in total comes under $845 per year. With the power of affiliate marketing, you know, one high ticket sale will cover me for that whole cost. But that's basically how much it costs per year, which is not a lot for a business model. So yeah, that's basically my expenses with affiliate marketing. Okay, so what's the catch with affiliate marketing? This is not cons, etc., but this is just some things you need to know before you actually start. So firstly, it will take some time to grow your organic audience. So basically, it will take some time for you to actually like gain some you know, traction to your business. You know, some followers, some people viewing your business. It will take some time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. This will take you, you know, maybe a few days or weeks to build up. But it took me around, you know, 5 days to get from 0 to 1K on TikTok to grow my audience there. But this is depending on the person though. Of course, I said before it's not about followers, but to actually grow an audience, it will take a bit of time. When you're starting out, some days you won't make a sale. Yeah. So basically, you won't be making sales every single day at the start. Once you get like, let's say like a month in, maybe then you'll be making passive income with it. But at the start, some days you won't, some days you won't make a sale. So don't worry about that. That's completely normal. Okay, that's normal. Happens to everyone. Yeah. Number three, this is patience. Um, that links to do with the two I've just said. Patience. You have to have patience. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to have patience to be able to make sales properly. You know, get the business going. You know, if it's not going well for the first 2 weeks, be patient. You know, wait it out. I know some people that didn't have success for the first 6 months, and you know now they have a six-figure business because they had patience. So yeah, if it's not going well at the start, don't give up. You know, keep going. Just have patience. Okay, so where can I learn and start affiliate marketing? Now you've just gone through the presentation I've just given you. Now you're probably wondering where can I actually start and learn affiliate marketing. So firstly, I've listed the 3-day business builder challenge. It's probably the best way you can actually get started with affiliate marketing if you're willing to invest the $7 that it costs. But this is personally how I started affiliate marketing. It's probably the best, you know, best value for money that you can actually get started with. There's also books like Traffic Secrets. This book is mainly for once you've gotten started a little bit, you know, a little bit about it. This will teach you about how to get traffic towards your business itself. I read it myself, great book. So yeah, that's something you might want to invest into. And also YouTube. YouTube is great, but I really do recommend you go for the online courses. You know, the top people that with affiliate marketing, they all invested in themselves to learn affiliate marketing properly, like a short course. So I do recommend that one. But YouTube does have, you know, it's all there for affiliate marketing on YouTube. But the problem with YouTube is that you have to want to find it, etc. And there's no actual structure on how to get started. Whereas if you take like a small course, then you'll probably, you know, be able to start like that, which, like how I did. But yeah, you can try YouTube. You know, YouTube has tips and tricks. You know, different ways you can make sales. You know, a lot of good stuff on YouTube. But yeah, that's just one way. Being said, thank you guys for watching the presentation. I hope you understand a bit more about affiliate marketing. Feel free to DM me on Instagram if you have any more questions. Also, the knowledge that I got started with affiliate marketing, the 3-day challenge, will be linked in the bio down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a sub on the channel too. That'd be really appreciated. You know, I will be posting more videos just like this to help you guys with affiliate marketing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video and peace out.